Well, I got myself new bite alarms, Carp-Sounder XRS. I have them in the black and now I have them in the red, and I just love them. They are amazing. I would recommend to anyone. My sling, my two nets, my setup for the day. I didn't want to take a chance.
5 minutes later.
First fish. I'm ready for the double. Last time I was not ready. This time I'm ready. I have two nets ready. Not one, I had two. Just in a case. Anyway, welcome back, guys. Again, congratulations to Josh for winning $50 gift card from Big Carp Tackle. It was amazing. Oh, it's not actually a baby carp. This is a big carp. We're gonna try to land this fish. Yeah, it's a big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. You see, Jana, if you were here, you will catch big carps with me. But you want to go to Switzerland. Okay. That's okay. She is coming back soon. Couple more days. Well, I must say, life without a wife, it's not for me. Life without fishing, it's not for me. I just landed a beautiful carp. Let's see how big it is. Damn. Okay. When I say it was small, now I know why I was having a problem landing this fish. This is not small fish. This is a huge fish. Left rod, plain corn boils. On the right rod, I have corn boil with added maple syrup. Look at this fish. Huge. Big belly. Nice one. 31. That put me back on 28 after I tear. I don't think I already tear it. Maybe I did. Look at this. Look at the beast. Beautiful. Going back. Go. Oh. He was not happy. Fish number one, 28 pound. And so far I got one carp. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna be fishing 1 more hour. Not bad. 28 pound carp, I take that anytime.
5 minutes later.
Ho 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 ho. Okay. Carp number 2. Oh yeah. I forgot to mention one small detail. I bought these bite alarms while my wife was in Europe. Probably cost me the same amount that she pays for the airfare. Sorry, honey. I forgot to mention that small detail. It's swimming the same way that the other one was swimming to the right. They like to go to the right. And it's better for me landing it on this side. Much easier. I'm waiting for double. Last time I had the double, I was not ready. This time I'm ready. This is about half hour later after I landed the first carp. Fall fishing the best. Actually the beginning of the spring, pre-spawn, and now I love it. Yeah, that was a small detail I didn't tell my wife. I just bought the bite alarms. They're working. Look, I got 2 carps today. Honey, they're really working. Just don't look my credit card statement. It's almost there. Yes, it's in. Another one. Yeah, guys, you guys are very good, because without you I wouldn't be able to land this by myself. No way. Thank you for helping. Yeah, this is another nice fish. This one came on the right rod. Corn boils again. Okay, 17 pound, 20 even, so it's 17 pound. Okay, guys, look at this beautiful carp. Let's go in. Carp number 2, 17 pound. I caught this one for my wife Jana. Very nice carp. It was fighting. I thought it was a little bit heavier. It was fighting more like 24, 25 pound. But 17 pound, I take that any day. Anyway, guys, thank you for helping. I really appreciate it. Fish number 3. Can't believe it. Fish number 3. I was about to pack. Fish number 3. Okay. Today it's gonna end up being an amazing day. 3 fish. These overhanging tree branches, I have to be careful with them. Look at that, almost no leaves left on the trees. Winter is coming here very early. So this was a middle rod. It was quiet all day. Come on to Papa. Okay, so after I land these fish, I'm gonna slowly pack. I have about 2 hours and 15 minutes drive home. Be back this weekend with my wife. I think we're gonna come either Friday or Saturday. I casted this rod about 50 yards. It took about 10-15 yards of the line. So I have a double. I have a double. This is a monster fish. Oh my God. This one, it's a monster fish. I don't know which one to fight. Let me bring this one. Triple, can you believe it? I was joking about double. And now it wants to have a triple. No, I'm not gonna let that happen. Come on, guy. It's time to come. Come on. Okay. One in. Okay. Now, good luck to me. Hopefully I can land this fish because it's snagged into this other line. Right now, I just need to bring that fish. That line is pretty bad snag. And he's still fighting. Yes, I got it. Oh guys, this was, it's crazy. Ow. Even the smaller one, it's beautiful. Look at it. Nice. Another double. And this was double from hell. 29, which is 26th. The other one was about 20, I would say more likely like 18. This one is 26 pound. Beautiful carp, another double. You can't ask for a better day than this. Okay, look at this. 26 pound. Nice and healthy carp. Beautiful. Oh. That's it. I can't believe how tired you get. But it was a good fight. In exception, he get tangled to my tort rod. However, he got also stuck in the rock, so I lost the lead and the hook. Who cares? I end up with the two beautiful carps. Too early. That makes it 4 carp for today. I'm signing off, guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, probably Friday or Saturday. Take care, guys.